Welcome back to Unit 6, Lesson 2, Solving One-Step Equations. In the next few slides, we're going to be doing the guided practice with modeling, where we're going to be using algebraic tiles to give you a visual on an equation and then use those tiles to solve the one-step equation. This is the tutorial video that models and solves equations with algebraic tiles. You need to watch this video to understand how the modeling and solving equation works together. It gives you that great visual on what you're going to be doing and the steps to solving equations. If you are a remote learner, do not skip this video. This is a video we are also going to be watching in class. So that way we also have a good understanding of what we're going to be doing. This is the guided practice. I tried making a video so that way you could actually see, or that way I would walk through its steps. But in order to see how this link, this is a digital link to using algebra tiles that you can use. You can click on it and you can walk through it as well. But these links right here are going to go over each individual problem. And I wanted to be able to utilize these tiles as you saw in the video. And I couldn't do that with just one video. So if you want to learn how to solve each one of these problems with modeling, you need to click on each one of these video links because each link will go with that particular problem. So this video is going to end and you're going to now click on these video links to solve for these problems using, and I apologize that you can't see it, but using these drag and drop features over here.